Today guys, tuturuan ko kayo paano kayo magawa ng netong squishy. So, wait lang. First thing first, we need color. And then, sunod ng color, need paper. I'm gonna kuha ng paper and my bag. I'm back with the paper and I need a tissue too. So I have a tissue right here. Alright, I got the tissue now. Now we need a cotton. I get a cotton. I get the cotton. Okay. We double it with tissue. Actually, we now have a tissue and balot it with this. Okay, babalot ko na to siya. Wait lang. Actually, don't forget to tape them. Okay, I tape them and the liquid. And then, we need to double it with paper. Yeah. Now, okay, we now wrap it. Okay, nirarap ko na guys. Wait lang guys. Lagyan din natin ng cotton yung sa loob ng papel. Tape it in the likudan. Nilagyan ko siya ng cotton. Medyo mahirap lang siya. I did it actually. How squishy it is. Okay, time to color it. And I did this thing. And I'm gonna draw this thing. It's actually blueberry. Okay, I draw it. Ito na. So, I'm gonna color it now. Okay, I color it and inside too. I'm gonna color it. Look how cool it is. See you in the next game because this is actually fire. And this is his partner. I'm gonna make grapes soon. So, lahat ng prutas gagawin ko din. Pero minsan, gagawa ko din ito ulit. Then sometime, I gonna take this two here. Ooh. Sarap. Wait a second. I know it. I actually have a hair bar, so goodbye.